Yeah, bitch so bad I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know.
Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Luis SVT and welcome back to another video. And I want to thank y'all for clicking on the video and I'm going to watch it. But yeah, this meet was really fast. The cops were like super strict, really pushy. But yeah, you're gonna see it got good anyways. But yeah, stay tuned, see ya there. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and support me. And I want to thank y'all everyone for supporting my channel. But yeah, as you can see, I couldn't do my intro or outro in this, so I did it right now. I was just recording the cars. But yeah, let's keep watching the video. Stay tuned. So yeah, we came to an end of the video, and I want to thank y'all for watching my video and supporting my channel and watching the whole video. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with your friends, and let me know what you think of this video. But yeah, anyways, stay safe and see you on the next one. See ya, guys.